Hello everyone. In the last session, we have seen the usage of exit, and also we have seen how to supply the file name as a command line argument or as a string input. So in this session, let us see the next standard library functions. Out of this, we have completed with file open close. So now let us talk about this character input output. So for character input and output, we will be using two methods. So first, a character reading or writing is equivalent to reading or writing a byte. Okay, so this is applicable to both text files as well as for binary files. Okay, so in order to read, we will be using fgetc, int fgetc file star fp. So you can see the return type integer. So fgetc will always return you an integer value. And now with the help of fgetc, okay, so with the by passing this file pointer, okay, when you're working with text files, what is the output? We'll be reading character by character, right? So that character we are storing in C. Now fputc will accept two arguments. One is int C and another one is file star fp. Okay, so let's see the usage of this. So here you can see fputc string of I am supplying. So it means whatever is the return value of this fgetc, that I am supplying it here with the help of a file pointer. So now here you can see an example program. First I'll explain this and we'll have a hands-on also. Okay, so here this is one of the important concepts in your examination point of view, copying one file content to another file. Okay, so here we are opening two files, fptr of 1 and fptr2. Okay, so we are declaring 2 instead of, and then we are copying the contents of fptr1. Okay, contents of fptr2 we are reading until we reach the end of the file, and we are copying that to fptr1. Okay, so whatever value is returned by this fptr, that we are storing in ch, and the contents of this ch we are copying it to fptr1. Okay, so let's do this. So now let's see how to copy the contents of one file to another file. So since we are making use of two files, let's declare two file pointers, star fp and fp1 and star fp2. Now let's give a name for fp2 as well. fp2 is equals to fopen of let's give some name. Example 1 we have used, example 2 we have used, even example 3 also we have used. So this time I will give it as sample 2, sample2.dat. This is the file name. First argument always is a file name, right? Since this is a new file, we should open in which mode? We should open this in write mode. Be careful with the case. Always it should be in small case. Okay, so now we should check whether the file has opened successfully or not. If fp2 is equals to null, what does this mean? Printf error in file opening. Otherwise, you can exit also. Let's make use of this exit also so that you will be familiar with this method. Okay. If that is the case, we are exiting. And one more thing, what we are supposed to do. Okay. So if this file is opened successfully, then what are we supposed to do? We should open the first file. Okay. So that is fp1. Let us open this also. Okay, so first let's open this fp1. Let us take any file that we have already created. Here I have example 1.dat. Okay, example 2.txt I have. So let's make use of this. fp1 is equals to fopen of, let's give the name example 2.txt. Let's open this in read mode. Why I should open this in read mode? Because the contents of this I want to copy it to the second file. Okay, so fp1 is my file which is containing this data. This I want to copy it to another file. Okay, so that second file is fp. Here also let me copy this to know whether file 1 is opened successfully or not. If fp1 is equals to null, error in file 1 opening. This is file 2 opening. Okay, so first file we are opening in read mode because it is already existing. Second file we are opening in write mode because this is a new file. Okay, so okay, now if the file is opened successfully, then what are we supposed to do? We have to take the contents of while, let us declare a character also, char ch, while ch is equals to, what should be ch? We have to read the contents of file 1, right? So let us make use of fgetc of fp1. Okay, the contents of this one, ch is containing the content of f file 1. Okay, so this not equals to EOF, end of the file. So this is one of the file status function. Okay, EOF stands for end of the file. So until you reach the end of the file, read one by one character and store it in ch. So now what am I supposed to do? I have read the contents of fp1. This I have to copy to my second file with the help of fputc. Fputc of what, in which variable this result is stored? It is stored in ch. That I need to copy to fp2. So to see what is copied, let us print this character, printf %c contents copied, content copied, let's say content copied %c comma ch. Okay, so this is what is being copied. So now character by character it will be copied, and parallelly we are displaying also what is copied. So after making use of both the files, what we are supposed to do, we need to close both the files. Fclose of, with the help of fclose of fp1. This is the first file, and fclose of fp2, second file. Since it is a pointer, it is always recommended to close the file whenever it is not in use. Let's compile it. R undeclared. Okay. So mode also we are supposed to give it in double quotes. These are the possible errors that you might get when you are executing. Error is always good because you will learn a lot. So always all of you help each other in clearing the errors. I think somewhere I have given a spelling mistake. Okay, T is missed here. Printf And here also. Yes, done. Okay. So here actually, let me correct this printf. Let me give this content copied outside the for loop. Outside the while loop, sorry, not for loop. And here let me only print the character. Okay. So you can see the content copied, students of first year, second, third, and final year. This is what we have given in example 2.txt, right? The same thing you can see as an output. Okay. So this is how we can copy one file to another file. Okay. So the same thing I have provided you in the slide also. You can go through that and execute yourself. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.